Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2015 Nissan Qashqai 1.5 dCi n-tec, a stylish and efficient crossover packed with modern features. At the front, the bold Nissan V-Motion grille, sleek headlights, and 18-inch alloy wheels give the Qashqai a strong and dynamic presence. At the side, the electric folding mirrors and sculpted body design enhance aerodynamics while maintaining a modern look. At the rear, the LED taillights, 360-degree camera, and front and rear parking sensors make parking and maneuvering effortless. Powered by a 1.5-liter dCi diesel engine, this Qashqai delivers excellent fuel efficiency with smooth performance. Cruise control ensures a relaxed and comfortable drive on longer journeys. Stepping inside, enjoy a high-tech cabin with an advanced infotainment system featuring Bluetooth, DAB radio, navigation, and keyless start for seamless connectivity. The spacious rear seats provide excellent legroom and comfort, making every journey enjoyable for passengers. A practical cargo area ensures ample space for daily use, whether for shopping, luggage, or family trips. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration D, L15HFE to book a test drive or request a video tour.